cut the bread? Okay. Okay, cut the bread.
No.
Nino's watching. Good cutting, Kira. Oh, so strong. Oh, good job.
How many pieces do you have? Can you count the pieces of bread? Count them.
Hey, go, Mommy.
Thanks.
Hey, go, Dad.
Oh, thank you. Num num num. Num 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 num. Num num. What are you doing with that knife? Can I have a piece of bread, Nino? Kira? Can Nino have some bread? Num 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 num. Num num num. Oh, that's so good. Thank you, Kira. Can I have a hug? Oh, a nice hug for Nino.
Mommy.
Hug.
Okay, you're gonna chop some watermelon.
Cut a bit.
I'm gonna cut a little bit of the bread. Good cutting. You want to cut some watermelon?
Mommy, cut. Mommy.
See the knife.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
Mommy, do it.
Indecisive, huh? Okay. Put it together for me? Thank you.
Cut.
How many pieces? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5.
That's too much.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, Kira. Good. Keep going.
Don't do it.
Sure you can. Keep trying. There.
Cut.
What's this?
Sandwich.
You're gonna make a sandwich? What is this?
Hamburger.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Oh, yummy cucumber. Mmm. Tastes great.
Mommy, help you.
Okay, put the knife right in there. Line it up like this. There you go.
Sandwich.
Okay.
Making a sandwich.
Cucumber sandwich. She's been making those today.
Yum yum. Is that yummy?
No.
No.
Oh.
Kira, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Kira?
Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera. See you soon. See you soon.
Yeah.
Oh, your focus.